Hello, this is Teacher Kimmy. This is our lesson today. Letter O. 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 What letter is it? It's letter O. It's letter O. Letter O sounds Ocean. 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 O is for ocean. Ocean. What do you see? I see an ocean. I see an ocean. What color is the ocean? It's blue. It's blue. It's blue. Ocean. Ocean. Old. 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 O-L-D. Old. O-L-D. Old. My grandpa is old. My grandpa is old. P. P. P is letter P. Is letter P. Letter P sounds p. Parrot. 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 P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. P is for parrot. What do you see? I see a parrot. Panda. 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 P is for panda. P-A-N-D-A. Panda. Do you like panda? Yes, I do. I like panda. Thank you for your listening. Goodbye.